Guys, you saw the news today. Last Friday, the President issued Administrative Order 38 saying that there is now a National Sports Tourism Interagency Committee, a very strong, powerful, and talagang dedicated committee for sports tourism. Alam niyo po, kahit nasa Bahrain si President Bambal, nag-uusap kami, ano pa ba ang i-host natin? Nag-uusap po yung mga NSAs, ano pa ba yung i-host natin? We hope to bring the Asian Youth Games to the Philippines. Alam niyo po, nung umatendo ako ng gymnastics, World Gymnastics sa Jakarta, nilipad ko po yan after the Sports Ministers meeting in Hanoi. Namit ko yung bagong Sports Minister ng Indonesia, si Eric Thohir. Namit ko rin po yung Indonesia Olympic Committee na kaibigan mo, President Bambol, ng President ng Olympic Committee ng Indonesia. Namit ko rin po yung Presidente ng Indonesia. Alam niyo po, talagang sabi nila, we can do this together. During the Sports Ministers meeting, they said, sports tourism, sports tourism, sports tourism. Alam niyo po kung ano talaga pinag-usapan noon? Alam niyo po kung ano pinag-usapan namin ni Minister Eric Thohir? Medyo nagka-problema lang sila ng kaunti ngayon because of the Israel issue. But I'm sure they will fix that soon. At sinabi ng Southeast Asia, why can't we not work together to one day host the Olympic Games? Southeast Asia hosting the Olympic Games. And kailangan po natin ng suporta. Pinresent na po kay President Marcos at sinabi niya, why not? Flatted. That is why you have the National Sports Tourism Interagency Committee, flatted with the Olympic Committee. And maganda, it's a very good story. It is a very good narrative that Southeast Asia is willing, is open, is interested to work together to build for the Olympic Games. As a matter of fact, open pa ho ang 2036. At sabi nga nila, bidding is one thing, winning is another thing. Doon muna tayo sa bidding. At kung ibigay man nila during our lifetime, at least we started it.